In this class, we'll be understanding GitHub pull request. So what is a pull request? Pull request is used to review your changes and approve, reject, or request for changes before pushing your code into main branch. It is a 4-step process: cloning your repository, creating a branch for yourself, pushing your code to the GitHub, and creating a pull request. So step 1, clone. Here I'm going to copy the link of the repo, then clone it into my local machine. I'm going to cd into my repo. Here I have a file called readme.md. Now step 2, create a branch and check out code from the main branch into your new branch. So the command is git checkout -b, which stands for branch and the branch name. I'll name it ticket1. Now if I do git status, you can see we are on the branch ticket1, and ls I'm having the same readme.md file. Here I'm going to change the information from abcd to something like this is a demonstration of pull request. Now step 3, add, commit, and push. So now if I do git status, you can see this is modified. You can use git diff to see all the modified changes. Here you can see abcd is removed, which is in red, and this line is added, which is in green. Now I'm going to add this, so git add dot. You can use git status to keep a check of where you are. So you can see changes to be committed. So now git commit -m, which stands for message, and modified file for pull request. Now we have to push our code to GitHub, which is git push origin and the branch name, which is ticket1. As you can see, there's a new branch created, which is ticket1. Now I'll create a pull request. As you can see, all the changes here, which are we removed abcd and added this line. So these all are in red and this is in green. Here we have to create pull request. I'll leave a comment saying please accept the changes after review and create a pull request. As you can see, it says at least one approving review is required by the reviewers with write access. So now I'm going to add a reviewer, RootEdu. Now I'll wait for the approval. As you can see, it is approved by RootEdu. Now I can merge my pull request into the main branch. So confirm merge, and I can delete my branch. If you check the code now, the main branch has this readme file saying this is a demonstration of pull request. That is how you create a pull request in GitHub. Thank you for watching this video.